friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another crafty haul for you, and this is a crafty combined haul. It's mainly Hobby Lobby selling clearance items, but there's a few other stores thrown in there. Before I get started with the haul, you know I gotta take a moment to welcome you back. Hey, and if you're new, welcome. If you are new and wondering what we do here we do crafts, DIYs, and crafty hauls. And with that mouthful said, let's get into this crafty combined store haul. Before I start this haul, I just would like to just let you know that I'm going to have to change my channel name. It's because this other channel's name is so close to mine that when I was telling people about my channel, it would actually correct my channel's name and put that channel's name in its place. And it was like, okay, you know, I'm all for sharing, but you know, if I'm sending someone to my channel, I would like them to come to my channel. I just figured right now I don't have that many subs, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem to change. And if you were around this channel for a long time, then you will know this channel has already gone through so many name changes. Enough with that, so let's get into this crafty haul because hauls make me happy and excited. So the first thing I'm going to start with are these pretty napkins, and I grabbed these from Marshall's and they were $2.99 and there's 40 of them in here. I got these to do like Mod Podge with I just thought it would be pretty for the 4th. And to me, I like them for all summer because I like plaid. I really love plaid a lot. I get something like this for the fall. One day I could do a napkin swap where people who like to do Mod Podge, decoupage could, it doesn't have to be Mod Podge, but if you just like to decoupage, you could swap napkins because a lot of people craft with napkins and it's like there's 40 in here, but I probably would just only need half. Then maybe you could send half. You get the point. I have one thing from Target and it's this Cricut mini easy press. I got this because I wanted to use it for like smaller items like shoes, hats, when I do different ribbon like for hair bows or even just craft ribbon for wreaths. I thought this would be cute. I guess that's what it looks like. And it was on sale for $39, but it's just that price everywhere. It's not just at Target, it's that price at Michael's, it's that price on Amazon. So like I said, I just grabbed it and it's like I'm holding the whole box. It's so light. I have a few items from Pop Shelf, and in my town there are like there's a Pop Shelf that it's like a / Pop Shelf Dollar General store, but in the next town over, they have a bunch of just Pop Shelves along. Well, not a bunch, two. I don't know why I said a bunch, it's just two. But if you're not familiar with Pop Shelf, it's just a new store. It's from Dollar General where they do things like, mainly it's a store full of like Target dollars. It's kind of like that similarity. I actually think that's what they're competing with. And they have seasonal items in there and they even have crafty items in there. So I stopped in there and I was pleasantly surprised. I definitely will be going back. But here's what I grabbed this time, and it's just these two. I grabbed 2 packs of these little puffy styrofoam hearts. I thought these would be cute to craft with. Grab this glue. Oh, I thought this was Eileen's, but it's Art Skills. I thought it said Eileen's Crafters glue, but it's Art Skills craft glue. So I don't know how well this will work. Strong Bond, it's a Strong Bond permanent glue, but I'll try it. But I'll let y'all know if it's any good or not. It was $3. And I forgot to tell y'all these hearts were $1. This was $1, and this is a pack of napkins, and there's 16 in here. And I love this print, this citrusy print. It has like lime, lemons, and oranges. And I thought this would be so cute to decoupage with as well. So I got a pack of these. The last part of this haul is all from Hobby Lobby, and you can see some of it sticking up right here. But I'll start with these florals first. Look how pretty they are. I grabbed these flowers to make corsages and boutonnieres for my grandma's funeral. I made one for like my mom and each of my aunt and uncles. I guess I made one for like just like each of her children because she has too many like grandchildren and too many great-grandchildren, and she even had one great-great-grandchild. So I just was like, that's too many to make. That is too many to make. So I just made just like I said, one for her children. For the women, I made a corsage, and for the men, I made a boutonniere. And these were the colors that, you know, were on her casket. And so I just wanted something that would match that. And I really did not take a picture. I should have filmed it, but I just wasn't in the mood when I was doing that. I just wasn't in the mood for that, in case you didn't know, which I'm sure we all know. Hobby Lobby does sell some pretty flowers that are realistic looking, and these were half off. And they were $11.99 with half off. And y'all, when we went, they were pulling all of these summery spring flowers and putting out fall flowers. If you want summery spring flowers, maybe go now if they're still out at your Hobby Lobby. I was shocked because it's June. It's still June. I'm like, why are they pulling up the flowers already? But they were in baskets. Like most of these, we had to get them out of the basket as the ladies were pulling them up. And I was just, you know, like, oh, I need those colors. But like I said, this is what they look like. They were and it turned out really pretty. Also, too, during the funeral, my daughters, the ones that I had left over from making the boutonnieres, my daughters put one of these roses in their hair. So like, if they had a bun, they put the rose in their bun. It was really pretty. So next I have more funner items. I know it's not fun to always talk about those things, but you know, that's a part of life and that happens. But the next things I have are for the 4th, and these were on sale for, I want to say 40% off. I never ever can get the craft picks, and I don't know what I'm always thinking every summer when it's the 4th and then they do go on sale. I never get there in time and they're always gone. And this time I was there in time when they freshly marked them down, and I just grabbed them. So here's what I grabbed 2 of these. Look at the little, I guess this is where you light the little firework down here. I can't think of what it's called right now, but anyway, they're so cute, and I had to grab them, and I'm so glad I was able to actually find them. So I got 2 of these. Got 1 of these. Let me move so you can, there you go, you can get a better view of this. Look at the glitter. I don't know why I got 1. I'm going to try to go back this evening because I want to grab some more. Like I said, I was grabbing those flowers for my grandma's funeral, and I just wasn't in the best headspace, and I wasn't really thinking too clearly. But now that I'm thinking clearer, I'm like, I should have gotten way more than that. And they were originally $4.99 with 40% off. So these were $4.99 as well. But look how cute. Not a bad price. And I mean, you can use it every year. And I also grabbed these fun pom-poms. I definitely am going back for more of these. But these were $3.99 with 40% off. So I hope that there's more. Like I said, I just wasn't thinking clearly when I went. But I definitely will grab some more because like I said, I will use these year after year. How cute they are. These caught my eye when I walked in the door. They had them, and you know how they have, oh, you can't really see. Can you see all of it? This is what one looks like. They had a display, and these were $3.99 with 40% off. These were in the front of the door. You know how they have the display when you first walk in Hobby Lobby? That get you display. I call it the get you display because they get you that way. It's like you see it from the street and you're like, oh, I need to go in Hobby Lobby. Even if you don't mean to go to Hobby Lobby, you're going to go in the Hobby Lobby. And once you get in there, you're going to look in that little area because you're going to want to buy everything that's in that area because they have it displayed. Always so cute. So I did grab these. Look how cute they are. But they're just not going to fit in the frame, but they just look like fun. They kind of remind me of sparklers in a way. And, you know, just add a little fun. Next, I grabbed this pack of top hats, these little hats. I probably will add a different, they had stars on them. I didn't even notice they had stars. I probably will add just cuter ribbon to the rim of the hat, but I thought these were so cute. So cute. I grabbed a pack. You can put this in a wreath or you can use it as is. I just have this sitting on my TV stand, but I definitely want to get another one so I could do one on each side because I just think these are so cute. I found some stickers. I didn't get all those cute stickers that everybody I've been seeing hauling, but I did get a few of them. And I got this set of pumpkin stickers for 87 cents. I love these, and they have a little glitter. I found these iron-on letters, so I got an O, and that's 16 cents. And I was able to find a W, and it was 16 cents as well. For 62 cents, I got these planner stickers, and this is the Valentine's Day set. Okay, so it's just the same on both sides, but I got this for my planner. I do decorative planning, so I got that one. I got another fall one, and like I said, it's just the same on the back. I got another New Year. And they're all 62 cents. And I just got one with just these different girls. I thought they were cute. So I got another one of those. That's the end of this crafty haul. I really do appreciate you for watching, especially if you made it to the end. And I also want to remind you that it's me, Jay's Creative Space. But if I just had to change my name because of, you know, someone's name was too close to mine. And she had her channel first, so I just went ahead and changed my name. But it's still me, Jay. anyway, I will see you next time, next craft, next crafty haul. Bye.